What's up, guys? Welcome back to another edition. Today we're outside. We're outside, and we're in
my yard.
Jeremy's big, huge yard. It's kind of
So
like
today you can't really see it, but you can't see it at all. We're gonna go in the forest, way over there. We're gonna go explore. I never did this at night before. It's 8 o'clock at night. I haven't done this before.
Just hear our voice. You don't need to see because there's not going to be that much. If there is, we'll go like so close with our flashlights, but there's not that much. You just need to hear us.
Wait, just like I'll be right back.
So yeah. Wait.
I'm just gonna go like this. Just gonna point it down.
If you need to go pee, this is the country. You can just go pee like.
Outside, yeah. Sorry if you guys can't see. Okay, yeah, so we're going.
The home is going like a chicken right now. It's not on the gun. That's just me and Jeremy.
Sorry. D-Man, come on! It's gonna be fun! No, D-Man! Sorry, you guys can't see really at all. Take her out! Sorry guys, I gotta be a second. We're gonna bring my dog with us because she's...
Please leave a like because D-Man is just not.
Yeah, please leave, if you guys leave a like, D-Man will...
sick. He does not want to do this, but he kind of does.
Get
You want
out.
to do this, D-Man?
D-Dog, get out!
I want to do
Go on, D-Dog.
With Denver.
Okay, now,
Come on, Denver.
Come on, Denver.
Okay, let's go. Denver, so follow the light.
Can I put sheets in your pocket?
Alright, Denver, come on. Denver, come on. And go. Guys, you coming? Okay, we're all prepared. See, if you, as you can see, D-Man's in his winter jacket. Josh's wearing 2 sweaters. I'm wearing 2 sweaters. We all got our flashlights on us.
Hey,
See?
Grayson,
Flashlight.
I'm wearing.
Flashlight.
I'm wearing your sweater under this.
Yeah, Grayson,
If you're watching this,
you,
Grayson,
you forgot your sweater at Winnipeg. So I found it at school. I'm like, I might see Grayson tonight, but I lied, so I got to keep it. And just saying, we're keeping it. We'll keep it safe for you. All right. So, D-Man. Let's go, guys. D-Dog. Denver. Denver. Okay, there you go. Just lay down. Look at Denver's eyes. So creepy. All right, guys. Just going now. D-Man. Skunks. Okay, it's no skunks. He's just doing that. Let's go. Look at you can see those eyes. Denver, come here. Denver's like glowing. Denver, your collar's like glowing. Look at Denver's collar in there. Look at Denver's collar in there. It's like glowing. D-Man! Come on! Guys, we haven't even got to the forest yet. D-Man, come on! Stop being chicken!
I ain't no chicken. I just don't know where you have to go. It's so pitch black. I don't see the fence.
Huh?
It's so pitch black. I don't see the fence.
Okay, guys, we're gonna not take a video, but we'll take a video when they come back. So we'll take a video when it's good.